On March 3, 2021, a 33-year-old girl Sarah Everard was walking home back to her flat in London when she was stopped by a serving police officer. Her was in Brixton Hill. She was coming back from a friend's house near Clapham Common. While walking, she talked on her phone with her boyfriend and promised him to meet him very next day. It was above 21:00 time of evening. When Ciuzenes, a police officer, stopped her in violation of COVID-19 measures. The said officer handcuffed her and put her in his car. In this way he then kidnapped her, afterwards raped her, and then murdered her. Her body was found after 7 days. Women across in Laondon started agitation highlighting the fear of insecurity while they going back home alone in late hours. Wayne Ciuzenes handcuffed her and put her in his car. He took her Kent. Thereafter, Ciuzenes raped her. He strangled her after that crime. To eliminate evidence of rape, he burnt her body. He threw her remains in pond in woodland. Disappearance of Sarah activated the police. After thorough investigation, Wayne Ciuzenes was arrested on the 9th of March on suspicion of kidnapping Sarah, and later on next day police was sure he had committed murder. On the 10th of March Sarah's remains were found in jungle which was very dense. Wayne was sentenced for life imprisonment. This chronic incident ignited debate of role of police in UK and security issues of women. After detailed investigation, it revealed that Wayne had a past history of sexual crimes. Then question arose that in spite of such crimes, how he was made employed in police department. Sarah was an educated young lady and was working as marketing executive in some digital company. The strong evidence against Wayne Ciuzenes were the CCTV footages which were captured at various places. On the 4th of March he intimated department that he was suffering from stress and couldn't carry gun. On the 5th of March he was seen in CCTV carrying a petrol container. He used that petrol to burn Sarah Everard body in a refrigerator. He bought 2 builder's bags. In one bag he put remains of Sarah and on the 7th of March he dropped it in pond. On the 8th of March he informed department that he was ill and handed over his belt and handcuffs. On the 10th of March, while patrolling, police found a bag having human remains, definitely of Sarah. That place was 10 meters away from Wayne's home. On the 12th of March it gone confirmed that the remains were of Sarah Everard by her teeth tests. Post-mortem confirmed Sarah was died due to neck compression on neck. On the 9th of March Wayne was arrested. He had omitted all data from his mobile before his police showed him Sarah photo. He denied to recognize